This is the front side. We need to finish the back side. It helps your child review for the test that's tomorrow. So let's look at this. The least common denominator here is 9. So you multiply all by 9, 9 here, times 9 here, times 9 here. Okay? You did that? Did you? Come on, let's do it. Cross cancel there. That's a 1. 1 times 7 is 7. Equals to 4 times 9, it's just 36. Plus, cross cancel here. 5 parentheses 2w minus 1. Okay? That's how you do that. Now distribute the 5 to both sides. That gives you 7 equals to 36 plus 10w minus 5. Okay, you combine like terms now. That means you combine these two together because they're alike. They both don't have variable. Oh my goodness. Probably my husband wanting to know. It's my son's high school. They can leave a message. Okay. 7 equals to 31. Angelina, have a seat. At least copy this down. Don't draw that on my homework area, please.
I was just trying to see.
31 plus 10w. Okay. You got it so far? Okay. Minus 31 minus 31. On your calculator, put 7 minus 31. You should get a negative 14. No, 24. Negative 24 equals to 10w. Okay? And then we divide last, correct? We divide last. Divide by 10. Divide by 10. Okay. So you get w equals to negative 2 with a remainder of 4 over 10. Right? 24 divided by 10 is 2. 20, subtract 4. That's how we get remainder 4. Reduce that. You should reduce this to negative 2 can divide by 2. So it's 2 over 5 equals to w. Okay, number 2. The least common denominator is 8. So you multiply both sides by 8. Cross cancel. Cancel that out. Leaves you this. Okay, that gives you 3 parentheses k plus 2 equals to, cross cancel here, leaves you 2. 3 times 2 is 6. Distribute 3k plus 6 equals to 6. Okay, you minus 6 to both sides, minus 6 leaves you only 3k equals to 0. Okay, and then we divide last, correct? Divide last by 3, divide by 3. You get k equals to 0 because 0 divided by 3 is 0. Okay, let's look at number 3. Solve the above problem, make it no solution. Remember, no solution, the variable has to be the same. So if you put 24 for x, this x right here has to be 24. So 24x. On the other side, it has to be 24x plus the 9. Now, what makes it no solution is this has to be different than this 9 right here. So I can make that anything I want. I can make that 150. Okay, so I get rid of the variable first by subtracting 24x, subtracting 24x. That gives me 150 equals to 9. That's not true. That's why it's no solution. Okay? Make above one solution. One solution is when the variable are different. So if I make this right here, if I make it 6x, one solution, this has to be different. So 4x. I'm going to make it different. So you got 6x plus any number I want, 5, let's say plus 5, equals to 4x plus 9. They're all different. One solution, they're all different. None of them are the same. Okay, minus 4x because it's smaller, minus 4x, minus 4x. Okay, that gives you 2x plus 5 equals to 9. Minus 5 minus 5, you get 2x equals to 4 divided by 2, and x then is 2. Whatever you use, just make sure with one solution, everything is different. Okay, where no solution or infinite solution, the variable has to be the same. Infinite and no solution, the variable has to be the same. Okay? Now, what mistake did this student make? Let's look. Let's solve it. The best way to do this is to redo the problem. 8 equals to 4x plus 24 minus 2x. And you have to combine these because they're alike. That gives you 2x plus 24 equals to 8. Okay? Minus 24 to both sides. And that gives you a 0 here. That's 2x equals to 16 negative. Okay, divide by 2, divide by 2. Your answer is a negative 8 equals to x. Now, what's different? Look, what they did different is right here. They minus 8, they should have minus 24. What mistake did the student make? Minus 8. The student made, the mistake the student made was minus 8. What should a student do instead? The student should minus 24. Okay? You gonna do the homework with me?
Huh?
You want to do the homework with me?
My sister watches the video, so she'll see. Hi, Brianna.
She'll see.
I love you.
Okay, right here. This problem got 4, add 2x minus 5 equals to 4, parentheses 2x plus 3. That's the problem they give you. So the best thing to do is redo it. You would combine these two. That's 4 minus 5. 4 minus 5 is negative 1.
Negative 1.
Okay. Plus 2x equals distribute. That's 8x plus 12. And now you should get rid of the smallest variable first, minus 2x, minus 2x. That gives you 0, that's a negative 1, equals to 6x plus 12. And then you minus 12 to both sides, right?
Yep.
Minus 12.
Cross that out.
Cross the 12 out.
Yep.
You get what?
6x equals
6x
blank.
equals to, would you add or subtract that?
to negative 13.
Negative 13
Then
divide by
6
Simplify.
over 6 and 13 over 6. Cross that out. Bring the x equals
6
and
into
simplify
13.
You go, girl.
2 times
Come on, Miss Wilcox.
Negative?
Yes.
1
Negative.
over 6.
You go,
That's
girl.
your answer.
You
Okay,
go, girl. Esa way.
what mistake did the student make?
The mistake
Everything
she made,
is-
she gotta get
Right
her
here.
With one little tiny mistake,
It ruins the whole problem.
Yeah,
Yep.
she got this answer and we got this answer. Well, her mistake is right here. We got a negative 1 and she got a 9. So she add 4 and 5. The student,
Bye, Miss Wilcox.
bye.
Bye. Have a nice day.
You too.
Shout out, Brianna.
The student add 4, 5 instead of subtract when it says subtract. The student should have, subtract. Okay? Any question? We're good.
We're all good.
You're all good? Okay. Now the homework tonight was this page here. I'll delete this. This is the homework. It was a blue worksheet. So the back of the white, I gave them a lot because I want them to practice for tomorrow's test. It's a good practice for tomorrow's test. Okay, least common denominators, 10. Least common denominators, 10, so times 10 there. This cancel, that leaves only this left. So that leaves 4 parentheses 2x minus 3 equals, okay, this you can't cross cancel out. You divide, simplify, the 10 becomes a 2. That's a 1, but 4 times this 2 is 8. Okay, you distribute, 8x minus 12 equals to 8. Add 12, you get 8x equals to 20. Divide by 8, x equals to 20. Divide by 8, 2 times 16, remainder 4. So your answer is 2, remainder 4 over this denominator of 8. That leaves you 2, yes, and 1/2. Reduce.
You know the videos that you record? Is it on YouTube?
Yeah.
What's the name of the?
I have to go to this site.
Oh, Facebook.
Yeah, but it's not Facebook. It's just a website. And then it's just a website titled Facebook. Just go to today's date and look at period 2, 4, 5, and then I say answer to tonight's homework, and it'll be on there. Facebook.com/Mrs. Wilcox Math, all lowercase, no space. Okay, least common denominator here is 4. So you times 4 here, times 4 here, times 4 here. Okay, cross cancel there. That's it. Cross cancel here. Okay, that gives you 6 parentheses x plus 5
Wait, Miss Wilcox.
minus 24 equals to 5. Yeah, you can go. Do you see it?
Yeah.
Yeah, you see the period? And then it says answer on YouTube.
Wait.
Look for periods on the date. Today I haven't posted yet. Of course, I'm recording.
Did you post yesterday?
Yeah, I did. I posted late. I didn't realize I posted the wrong one.
All right.
It takes me forever to post.
Thank
It's
you.
slow.
I'm gonna go listen to the.
X plus 5 equals to 29. Distribute here. Distribute there. 6x plus 30 equals to 29. Minus 30. That gives you 6x equals to -1. Therefore, you divide by 6. X is equal to -1 over 6. When you divide on your calculator, you get a decimal. That's how you know you need to leave it as a fraction like this. Okay? The bottom one. Thank you, Angelina. Have a great day.
Now, how am I going to get out of school?
Huh?
Now, how am I going to get out of the school?
Not through the library. Or
the
through
office.
the office. Through the office.
No,
Do you want to call your mom? Do you want to call your mom? Call your mom.
How am I going to call my mom?
So she knows you're going home.
Yeah. Come on, Julie, take a selfie.
Not right now. Can you call her, please? It helps me. You want my cell phone to call her?
Angelina, come take a selfie. I don't want you in my selfie.
And 3 times 4 is 12 here. Distribute. 7x plus 35 equals to 12. Minus 35. Use your calculator. 7x, and your calculator will tell you it's negative 23. Divide by 7. X then is equal to -3 and 2 over 7. That's the answer for that one. Number 5. Okay.
Move, Angelina.
3 parentheses 3x plus 1 times 7, cancel, times 7, cancel, times 7, that's 70. Okay, that's plus 5. Make sure you multiply to all 3 of them, the least common denominator. Distribute, that's 9x. Distribute plus 3 plus 5 equals to 70. Combine these two together because they're alike. That makes 9x plus 8 equals to 70. Subtract 8, that gives you 62 equals to 9x. Divide by 9, divide by 9. Your answer is x equals to 9. That's 7 times 9 is 63. Too much. 6 with 8 over 9 as a remainder. Remainder 8 over 9. Okay? Now this mistake here. Okay, let's see. We're going to redo. Solve the problem. Solve for the correct answer. So they want you to solve this for the correct answer. What mistake did the student make? So you need to answer that. So 4x minus 6 equals to 14 plus 2x minus 9. You combine these, they're like terms, but in this case, this child add. You're supposed to subtract 4x minus 6. 14 minus 9 is 5 plus 2x. Okay, so here's the mistake. This child accidentally add instead of subtract. The student should subtract instead of subtract. 14 minus 9 instead of adding. Okay? Get rid of the smallest variable first, minus 2x, minus 2x. That's the smallest variable, 2x minus 6 equals to 5. Add 6, you get 11 equals to 2x, divide by 2, divide by 2, x is 5 1/2. Okay, that's the answer there. Okay, let's do this one on number 8. See what the problem is. You got 4 equals to 6 parentheses x plus 4 minus 3. Distribute, distribute 6x plus 24 minus 3. Combine these two because they're alike. You get 21. 24 minus, add equals to 4 minus 21 minus 21. Okay? 17 negative equals to 6x. Divide by 6. 3, 2. It's 2 negative. A negative and a positive is a negative. Okay? With a remainder of, let's see, 12 minus 17 is 5 over 6 equals to x. Okay, the mistake here. Oh, the mistake here is, look at this. They minus 4 when they should have minus 21. So they should have gotten rid of, they should have minus 21, not minus 4. Okay, that was their mistake. The back side. We're coming to the very end. To the back side. Okay, I forgot to have kids put a B here. I meant to have students put a B here, right there. Because the question, based on the graph, what does the point B represent? Okay, so point B represents 4 worked hours of work and earning 60. Oh no, that's too short. Go all the way up one more. $65. We're going by 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 30. That's $65. So B, 4, and 65 represents 4 hours of work represents making $65 after 4 hours of work.
We'll be back next week.
Okay. Are you gonna let her out?
Yeah.
You sure? Yeah. Angelina, can you call your mom? I feel better. Why? Because it's so late. It's 4:30.
4:32. Do you know my mom's phone number?
Yeah.
Why don't you call her yourself?
Oh, how long has this cancel shutdown been there?
Can you just email her and say I'm done?
I can't because I'm doing this.
I'll call her. But I don't know. I'll be Miss Wilcox. Hello.
I don't have her number. I'm almost done though. Okay. What is the rate of change and what does it mean? Okay, the rate of change, remember how much it changed. So if I'm going to leave this B, let's say I pretend this is C. It doesn't matter which 2 dots you choose. Your rate of change will always be the same. I'm going to choose C here then. So B to C, we're going to do B to C. So B is at 65. Start from here. So from there you go up. Let me erase all these other stuff except the 65 here. From 65 it's going to go up to 95 right here and stop. That line, that blue line there represents the dollar amount earned. And then you turn. Turning represents something else. You always goes up and down first, and then the turn is hours worked. How many hours you work here. Okay, so let's see. The earn amount is from 65. B is 65 to C. Earn amount on C is 95. Over, okay, this hour right here, which is 4, and this hour here, between those 2 hours, which is 9 or 8. So basically this is 30 over 4, or when you reduce this is negative 4, that's a negative 30, 2 because you minus, make it a positive, and when you reduce by 2, you get a positive 15 over 2. What does that mean? This is the dollar amount you earn over the number of hours. So $15 for 2 hours. You're supposed to, what does it mean? It means you make $15. You made $15 in 2 hours of work. What is the unit rate? Unit rate, remember, it's 1, so you divide this to find 15 divided by 2, which you get 7.5 over a denominator of 1. What does that mean? That means that you make $7.50 for every hour you work. This is, remember, is hours. Hours is from right here. I didn't make it up. Hours, money earned. Okay, so you've made $7.50. Make $7.50 for every hour work. Oh, forgot the word hour. Okay, so the graph shows it too. That's on average, but this person gets paid automatically